Nhất xa sẽ hơi chính em mà đem cái chính nhập.
Hả nghe, lại phim ngay xe.
Bác có bài bên em nghe. Nãy thì bro chính em nghĩ nắp xin nhau cái tay pop. Bác cầm bà bà cho nghe.
Ki khubor ka Batesi TV ka umdi basnyam bat pinjasliang. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Kum sebentar penkelanya ke parti ke Indian National Congress Club Light Paitba ya ke program ke belastim. Kum ka Sagathan Sri Jan Abhiyan habrok kuwe keri India. Bat ya kini la sakhiru Nongstoiñ limba ke jungan poi jo unong pej perman ke All India Congress Committee usachin nayak ha Congress Bhavan Nongstoiñ West Khasi Hills District. Hagajia kram ikilat tai khubor usachin nayak loang bagajingwan jong u Nongstoiñ long berpintrekam ya ke program dak ba unthung berunjit thamai no ibrok ke district president.
You press reporters of print and electronic media. Indian National Congress have launched a nationwide program of Sangathan Sujan Abhiyan. Through this Abhiyan, we are going to elect new district president and also identifying new leadership from that district. Already, the All India Congress Committee has completed this process in 14 states. Recently, the program was launched for Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Meghalaya, Nagaland, Manipur and Goa. And now I am here as an All India Congress Committee observer for Sangathan Sujan Abhiyan. I am going to stay here for next 7 days. I will go to all blocks. I will meet all Congress as well as the people from the civil societies, and we will take their opinion, and on their opinion I will give my brief proposal to the All India Congress Committee, and after that the Congress Committee will announce the name of president. The other intention of the party is to make the district president more accountable for party as well as the citizens of that district. In coming days, the district Congress president will be the main person of the Congress in that district, and he will be the part of the decision making process, whether these decisions are related to the legislative assemblies or local body elections or the other activities of the party. He is the main person who will conduct all these process, and I am here to conduct a free and fair process for the selection of the district Congress committee president, and our object is a key goal is to strengthen Congress committee by reforming the ways of DCC president and independent appointment, empowered and held accountable. So I have started my functioning here, and it will be completed within a week, and I will submit my proposal to the Congress leadership, and then after the Congress leadership will take a decision. Thank you.
Had a long day? Feeling drained? Let Hello Meghalaya lift your mood. Right there on your phone. Movies, music, infotainment, live streams, all in one place. Content you can enjoy together, laugh together, learn together, right at home with your family. Easy to access, easy to download. Register in just a few simple steps. So why wait? Download Hello Meghalaya now.
Oh, for once I'm ready before her. Chale!
Gorgeous.
Let's go!
Coming. How much you honk, yeah?
Come on, we should leave.
Chill. It's just family.
Exactly. और घर वाले ही late.
By the way, how am I looking?
Very late.
Streamers, caps, candles, cake, definitely balloons. सब आ गया. Wait a minute. Where is everyone? Show off.
Hey bro, how's it going?
एक बात बता, सबसे फास्ट होकर भी हमेशा लेट कैसे?
Style bro, style.
Hello guys, where's the birthday boy?
यहीं कहीं होगा, अपने फीचर्स को रील्स पे शो ऑफ करता हुआ.
इतना बिगाड़ा जो है. Automatic gearbox, ventilated seats, sunroof.
क्यों ना हो? Family का सबसे youngest भी तो है. Let's go guys, party time.